How to add another account on Snapchat. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use multiple accounts on Snapchat so you can easily switch between them without any hassle. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right to open your settings. Next, scroll down until you see Account Actions and tap Log Out. Don't worry, your login info will be saved, so you can easily get back into your main account later. Now you'll see an option called Switch Account. Tap that, then log into your second Snapchat account using a different username, email, or phone number. Once you're in, you can switch between accounts easily without logging in each time. Just make sure to save your login info on your device. And that's it. Now you can manage multiple Snapchat accounts smoothly. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks for Snapchat and other apps.